Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to enable and disable ipv4 and ipv6 using nmtui command in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So first I am logging to the terminal as a root user. So open the terminal. So type the nmtui command. So edit a connection. Go to ENS160. So here you can see that ipv4 manual configuration is there. So I am going to remove the IP address. I am going to remove the IP address. Then disable. Yes. Now come to ipv6 configuration. Select the option disabled. That's it. Back. Now come to activate a connection. Now deactivate the connection and activate once again. Okay. Come back. Quit. That's it. Now type the IP address. So you can see that ipv4 and ipv6 both are disabled. Okay. So now I am going to put back the ipv4 and ipv6 address. Once again, let me type the nmtui command. Edit connection. So ipv4 configuration manual, because I am going to set the static IP address. So I am going to put back the IP address. Next ipv6 I am enabling automatic. That's it. Now come back, activate a connection, deactivate and activate once again. That's it. Come back, quit. That's it. So now check the IP address now. See here, ipv4 and ipv6 both are enabled. Okay. So this is the way we can enable and disable ipv4 and ipv6 using nmtui command in Oracle Linux 8 operating system.